Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna unbox another mini PC from brand called Kamrui. So let's get into it. Got a box, the actual PC. And let's lift this up. User manual, SATA cable, mounting plate, HDMI cable, charging brick with a USB-C, and just a cable and some mounting screws. Let's go ahead and look at our main unit. So bottom nothing, top Ryzen 5000 series, Ryzen 5, AMD Radiant graphics. The side vents, this side vents as well a little bit. On back side here, power, lock, 1 gig LAN, 2.5 gig LAN, HDMI, DP, and 2 USB and USB-C, mic, and again USB type A 3.0 and audio. Let's go ahead and open this. To open this we need to unscrew all these 4 screws here, and back should just come out like that. So let's take a closer look. This is RAM, which is I think 8 gig, so total of 16 gig DDR. However, I would be more happy if it was like a 16 gig one stick instead of 8 gig, because then I can add another 16 gig stick. It should make my life little better. Now I have to replace both of stick in case I need to upgrade to 32 gig in the future. So battery, which is nice, another air disk, NVMe. Again, let's go ahead and take this out, swap my another WD NVMe stick. To swap out, we need to open this mounting screw. Okay, that's almost jammed. There it is. And take this out over here. So they have a Wi-Fi card, which is nice. Let's go ahead and insert this like that and put the screw back. So do this before you snap it in, and let's go ahead and put this cable in here. So I'm really not a fan of this kind of a mechanism here because these cables are really fragile. Okay, so it's kind of a latching mechanism like that. You need to pull this up and then slide this cable in here and then lock it. It's kind of hard to do it on camera with my hands. There it goes. Hopefully I've done it in the right way. Okay, now time to put this back, and let's screw it back. There you go. And just a quick tip, this is a power button, you press like this. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you like it and stay safe.